I mean, does the world watch this?
Yeah.
Are you happy to be a part of the vlog?
Of course.
Always.
Always. Number one fan.
Oh, thank you, thank you. What are we doing today, Saber?
Today we're photographing nature, but we're using long exposure.
Yes, let's go!
Too many cameras, yes. Average multimedia volunteer experience.
Wow, okay, that's it.
You can connect music.
Yes.
This is the most important thing.
It's 000 the password.
Oh, and oh my god. Of course, he's the first person.
Yeah, I'm the first one.
It's working.
Volume.
Heating.
Oh. Okay, try the music.
And now it's going. Oh. Yeah, please follow us on Strava. We would like to get more people on Strava.
The best community of hiker in Slovenia.
I hope this is safe. Should be fine.
Eyes of
Beautiful.
love.
Yes, you're beautiful.
You beautiful, you cute.
Such a
Get in love.
baby.
You happy to have so many love.
Dog avocat, huh? Dog avocat. Where is the sausage, huh?
Who's the best player?
Me, of course.
Yeah, of course.
It's a Hungarian sweet, apparently very good. We will see.
I don't know. I'm so
I cannot wait to try it.
Leon is too skeptical to try. He's just like, nope.
I love you, and amazing. I have no words for it.
Aww.
Wow. The structure. Very good.
The story is I tried before. The first time it was really bad, but now I love it.
It is important you also have like different modes of driving. I really like eco, sport. But please drive in eco, okay? It's no point driving in sport.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Unless if we have to go somewhere really fast, you know.
It's like a mobile phone.
Yeah.
We have to go and drive.
Okay.
Let's go for a drive.